In the Spring MVC Introduction chapter, we are going to look at several key concepts of the Spring MVC framework. We're really trying to build a solid foundation that you can rely upon throughout the rest of this course. We're looking at the high-level picture of the framework. So let's take a look at some of our chapter objectives. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to introduce the framework concepts and the different features of the framework. So we're going to be looking at things like Spring MVC's request processing lifecycle. We'll look at how it data binds. We'll take a look at the MVC pattern itself and the benefits it provides to us as a developer. Now, after we've taken a look at the framework, we're going to look at the tool we'll be using throughout the entire course, and that's the Spring Tool Suite. Now, this is an Eclipse-based IDE that has been enhanced to facilitate development with Spring projects. So we will install the tool and we will configure it so it best suits us for development throughout the course. And then finally, we're going to build a very simple Hello World application using a Spring template project, and we're going to review the application to identify and analyze the major framework components that handle the bulk of the request processing in the Spring MVC framework. So we'll actually see some of the configuration and some of the code that's put in place in order to establish a Spring MVC project. Once this chapter is complete, you'll be ready to tackle the more technical lessons in the remainder of the course.